Hey guys, here's problem number 7 from the review packet, from the mock test, I should say. It says find the slope of the line that passes through 4, 4, and 5, 0. So the way this one works is we have a line and it crosses these points. Now I saw that some of you were like, well, I'm confused about the whole subtracting and dividing thing, so I'm just going to draw a graph. And guys, honestly, when push comes to shove, this test is over graphing. My advice is to graph. When in doubt, just graph and see what happens. So here I'm just going to make a 5 by 5 coordinate plane. You could do this on your paper. You could even steal a graph from another problem. Like say you went back to, I don't know, problem 5. Maybe I could steal this graph from C and just, graph my point on that. That's okay, guys, if you don't want to make your own. But let's say we did make our own. Let's graph this. 4, 4. That means I go right 4, go up 4. It's about right there. 5, 0. That means I go right 5, and I stay on the y-axis. Here's my 2 points. Here's my line. Not a pretty line. That's okay. Can you find the slope? Absolutely. Count rise over run. So here, how many do I go up? I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. If I did that right. And I go over 1. So my rise is 4. My run is 1. I have to double check here. I know 4 over 1 is definitely equal to 4, but let's remember slope, dude. Is this going positive or negative? And I can clearly see it's going down, so this will be a slope of -4, which is answer A. That's all good and fine, but let's just say that, well, you don't want to graph it. You definitely don't need to. Here's the other way. Remember that these are XY ordered pairs. If you remember slope-rida, the difference of the y's and the difference of the x. Let's take the difference of the y's. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Let's take the difference of the x's. 4 and 5 going in the same order. 4 minus 5 is actually a -1, and if you divide these, you will get -4. And I didn't have to graph at all. I get the same answer. A, -4 is the correct answer.